What do you think about the life of reverted Muslim from atheism? Yeah, of course, it's not gonna be easy. But Stitch Legend always been deep religious Muslim boy, despite the fear of people's thought. To know more about his life journey, let's begin the story of Stitch Legend. He was born in Belgium in an atheist family. As he grew up in a fine Flemish liberal family with no spicy stories about gods, therefore he lived a life of playing football with friends, going out on Saturdays, women's waiting in line and stuff like that. He was so happy with his life. But then one day, due to circumstances, he discovered that the religion can be also positive. In South America, finding religion is concerned has a happier side of life. But in Belgium, this is associated with pedophilia and terrorists. Anyway, inspired by South American adventure, Stitch started his quest. It became a comparative study of religion. The Catholic Church did not help him. The wealth of church bothered him. The access in the buildings did not keep up with the teachings. Then he moved on to Richard Grieve, who inspired him to Buddhism, but also meditation and Zen did not bring him what he was hoping. Once a Moroccan friend suggested him that he should give all religion a chance, and certainly Islam too. When he first heard the principles of Quran, he was triggered. But what really convinced him was the test of Quran itself. With the first verse of the Quran, he felt as if the God spoke to him directly. At the age of 17 itself, he decided to convert to Islam. The moment he said salutation, it visibly moved, gave him the feeling that he was being addressed immediately. It touched him so deeply that he wanted to repent on the spot at the mosque. Persistence wins and rest everything is history. This transition to life as a Muslim did not happen for him overnight. Lot had to change. In food, for example, he had to explain to his mom what he could and could not eat. I mean, no more pork chops, so that he could lead a good Muslim life. To talk about his family's reaction, they reacted dramatically. He said, family, friends, they often talk about free speech, but I became religious and it's suddenly a drama. Watch out. I understand that Islam is, of course, sensitive in perspection. Unfortunately, they immediately think of terrorists and so on. But you know it would have been the same with deep Catholicism. Stitch Legend simply remained himself, continued studying quietly and continued to treat his family and friends with love. Now he is 23 years old, who often goes to mosque, talks to elderly and drink mint tea with his fellow brothers, and also tries to present the best side of Islam in Belgium by showing them that you don't have to fear anything which involves religious. I found Islam, I have become more forgiving and softer. If you only look to people, you will be disappointed. Allah is showing you that you shouldn't rely on people but rely on Him. So, what's your choice?